So what are we gonna do first?
We're gonna light these candles in the grass and we're gonna show you they're not gonna go off.
Once you put water in.
Yeah.
Light up the candles now. Okay. Pull it up like this.
Pull it up. Put water.
Okay, put water in. Be careful not to burn yourself. Slowly put water. Put a lot of water, put a lot of water, put a lot. Oh my god! Oh my god, the candles are still on. How is that possible, guys?
Oh my god!
Okay, let's see how Jacob is going to do the magic trick. Here is the magic trick. Now what do you do, Jacob?
Put in the water.
How do you say water in Italian?
Aqua.
What about candle?
Candole.
Candela.
Oh my god. Guys, the candles are not up inside the water.
What are we doing? Which kind of experiment are we doing now?
We're doing a suction.
Suction. How is the suction going to work?
First put water, then you put cooker, and then you put the candles, then you light it up.
And then? Good job. Oh my god, look at the color of Robert. How do you say light blue? Azzurro in Italian. That's azzurro in Italian, you know? It looks like almost like your eyes.
Now we're gonna look at mine.
That's green, kind of dark green. Okay, that's cool. It doesn't have...
Light the candle.
Because what happens? The fire burns the oxygen and
What?
the fire burns. Do it too. Now pass it. Let's do it together this time. Let's see which candle.
Whoa.
Let's make it a challenge. Okay, obviously guys, you need an adult for all this. Okay, let's put them upside down over it and let's see who's gonna get more water in. This cup is going to win. This is Robert versus Jacob challenge. Who is gonna win? Who is gonna win? Who is gonna win?
It's gonna fall. Oh!
God, more. Green is Jacob. See? I think it's about the same. I think is it a tie, guy?
Let's try it. Oh, that is a suction.
That is a suction. Let's see. I told you we were creating a suction because the oxygen
You want to do that again?
burned. So you? Okay, let's do that one more time. Now?
Try to do it. My turn. Do it 3 times.
Yeah, but you could win, Jacob. That was a really good one. What's wrong with you?
There you go.
I think you can put it on the side. Whoa!
Let's do that.
By yourself. It's not gonna work. What are you talking about? If there is no fire.
Now, challenge set. Now,
One is gone through. 2. Let's go, let's go. Jacob. 3, 4. Oh my god, I think he's already leaking. Jacob, what have you done? How is it even possible?
now it's my turn. It's pink.
It's pink, definitely. But let's try.
Let's take
We're Robert. 1 for Robert.
Go, go, go.
2. Well, not leaking.
I want to do it.
4. I think that this science experiment is working now. Robert.
Do it like this. Do it right.
No, Robert, don't follow Jacob's lead. Jacob made it pee right away.
Now,
How many did you get in? Count them.
I don't know how many.
We are gonna count them after.
Here, right here. That's faster. Go here, here. Let's 3 at a time. Still not eating.
So happy. happy. How do you say happy in Italian? Pesante. What? This is almost the record, I think, on a Ziploc this size.
Oh, it's leaking.
Yeah, now it's peeing. It's finally peeing again. 30, yes. Okay, just copy. It's fine. Split the bag.
Robert lose. Robert lose. Robert wins. Robert wins. Robert wins.
Oh, now it's pink. Now it's pink for sure. Yes, and the game is over and it's time to count. Who wins, pull them out and count. So don't touch Jacob. And we all are going to count with Robert, both in Italian and in English. Count in Italian actually this time, only.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
And what is 17 in English?
17.
Yes, he got 17 this time. And now it's Jacob's turn. Second round. Okay, let's go.
It's pink.
Jacob already lost.
Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Why did you count them twice? You're such a cheater, Jacob. There are only 3.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Look, Jacob made it. Okay, go over it as well and try. Maybe yours is working.
Let's see who can stay the longest.
Yeah, the longest is going to be you. You won this round, this challenge for sure, because this is our last challenge, and who wins this? Whoa, lasted so long. Okay, now it's Robert's turn. Okay, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got your glass. Oh, I think that this round, Jacob. Oh man, yeah, you won like 2 rounds of the poking.